Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin seed dip. I'm going to use pumpkin seeds, and I'm also going to use some winter squash, some butternut squash. It's going to make it nice and creamy, and I think it goes nicely with the pumpkin seeds because they're both in the pumpkin family. Here I have some roasted salted pumpkin seeds, and I also roasted the squash. I just brushed it with olive oil and put it in the oven at 375 for about an hour until it was soft. And while I was doing that, I put some garlic in the oven. I separated out the cloves, and then without peeling them, I rubbed each clove in some olive oil. And they get so unbelievably fragrant, and they get really tasty. I'm also going to put in just a little bit of goat cheese and some olive oil. I'm going to puree all this together. And then I'm going to mix this with some yogurt. Just make it a little more creamy. The reason I don't put the yogurt in the food processor is because it breaks it down and it just makes it way too liquidy. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And there you have a pumpkin seed dip.